Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video where today I'll be doing a tutorial video on how to install grill guards for a Traxxas TRX4, specifically the G500. So, I'll just bring the car into frame. This is the car I will be doing this on. As you can see, this is the stock grill that comes with the G500 TRX4, and here is the Brabus grill which I will be installing. So, I'll get this out of the packet and get the shell off this and we can begin. So to begin with, you will want to use this tool that came in your TRX4 box. So this is obviously a tool that comes with the TRX4 when you buy it, and it's very useful because you need that to unscrew the grill on the body, which you have to unscrew there, unscrew these screws, these and there, and then the whole grill assembly should come off. So you need to do that first, and I'll come back to you when I've undone it, and then we can pick it up from there. Alright, so after you've undone those screws, you simply just want to get the same tool that you're using and just keep pushing on the underside of the grill here, just where the screws were, trying to just get the old grill out. After you've pushed it out a bit, the grill should simply just come off like it's doing so now. Okay, so here is the old grill. I've just popped it out. Here is what the grill looks like, as you can see, and here is the new grill which we'll be installing, which is of course the Brabus grill guards. So I'll open that up and we can take a look at it. So if you're wondering where to get this from, I'll have a link to it down in the description below. It's from AliExpress over in China, and they were pretty quick to send it out. I live in Australia, and I think this took about a week and a bit to get here, which is pretty fast, especially considering it's from China. So let's take an initial look at it. Just take the grill guards off first. As you can see, there's the Brabus logo just there, as well as the grill itself. So yeah. So here's the grill. I have installed it to what I think you're supposed to do. Here it is. As you can see, it's unpainted. You can paint this, but I choose not to because it looks good like that. So now all I have to do is to put it back on the car. Now as you can see, the grill is looking like this. There is a sticker underneath it and obviously a few holes drilled into it. That won't go away just by putting this on, so you will still have that in the background, but it doesn't really matter. So what you want to do is just, you see the holes on the back of the grill, you just stick them into the middle holes here, and then you just screw them from behind. So I'll just do that and then I'll come back to you after. Okay, so just by doing that, I've gotten the grill off. I've also taken the Brabus logo off because it needs to be super glued on, so I'll do that at a later date. So yeah, here's what it's looking like behind. You will only need these two of the screws, so you can use the other four as spares in case you one day want to install the stock grill back on. But yeah, all that's left to do is to reinstall those screws, and then your grill's done. Okay, so I've installed those screws, and now the grill is securely on. So here's what the grill is looking like, of course without the Brabus logo like I mentioned earlier. But yeah, that's it. That's literally all you have to do to install a Brabus grill, or any grill, on a TRX4 G500. Okay, here we go. Here is the Brabus 4x4 squared now. So as you can see, it has the new Brabus grill installed. You can paint this, but I'm choosing not to because of the fear that I don't actually really know what I'm doing to paint it. You need to sandpaper it and everything, and I couldn't be bothered. And to be honest, I kind of like it like that. It still gets the message across. It's the Brabus grill. It looks good, and this is legitimate. It's all metal. The grill is metal. The grill is 44 Australian dollars, and to be honest, I think it's worth it. Simply just because it takes something so generic as a grill and just transforms the whole front of the car. It now looks like a completely different car, and it just makes something that you don't see too many of even more unique. And it's just the first mod on my way to modifying this car up to something even better than this. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for occasional videos like this, because I will be doing more in the future with the TRX4 and some of my other RC vehicles. And so yeah, goodbye.